A very good morning to all from Anurag Joshi. In today's video, we are understanding the static variables with the help of a program. Okay, so static variables used inside functions are initialized only once and then they hold their value even through function calls. Okay, तो हम जितनी बार भी functions को कॉल करवाएंगे तब तक वो उसका क्या करेगा, वो अपनी वैल्यूज को होल्ड करके रखेगा. ओके, तो हम स्टैटिक वेरिएबल के अंदर क्या पढ़ा था कि स्टैटिक वेरिएबल जो होता है उसका जो वेरिएबल होता है वो आपके थ्रू आउट द प्रोग्राम यूज कर सकते हैं. हम उसको ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी फंक्शन के एक ब्लॉक के अंदर हमने यूज कर लिया तो उसके बाहर आते ही उससे डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना. उसकी जो लाइफलाइन होती है वो क्या होती है, पूरे होल प्रोग्राम तक चलता है. जब तक आपका पूरा प्रोग्राम टर्मिनेट नहीं हो जाता तब तक वो जो स्टैटिक वेरिएबल है वो क्या होता है, डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होता. ओके, तो चलिए अब स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा प्रोग्राम. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू include a header file. So for that I had to write has include iostream only. Okay, this is I used code block, so here I don't want to use .h. It predefined understanding that. Okay, so but you when you will trying to do that program in Turbo C or other compiler, so you have to write .h also. Okay, so now the second thing is using namespace std. Okay, it is also not mandatory to write in the Turbo C. Okay, it is used only in code blocks. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to create a program of program using functions. Okay, so we know that when we want to create a function of when we use the function in our program, we have to do three things. So first of all, what is it? So first of all, we have to create a function declaration. So for that I have to declare a function of name counter. Okay, so this is my function declaration. Okay, second thing is I have to define that. So how can we define? We write counter and in that we don't use semicolon, we use curly braces. Okay, in that I have to create a variable of static type. Okay, this is I write int count and I initialize that to 0. It is a regular variable. So if we want to create a variable of static variable type, so what we have to do, we have to write static in the prefix of that variable. Okay, so now this count is our static variable. Okay, then in cout I want to print the value of that count with increment operators. Okay, so this work completed, we define our function also. Then third is we want to call our function, and we know that we call our functions inside a main function. Okay, so here I write in main. In that main function I have to use a for loop, and for loop we have to write we need a variable, so we initialize or create that variable inside that for loop. Okay, so here I write int I is equals to 0 and I want to print 5 values. Okay, so I write I is less than 5 and increment that I. Okay, so in that for loop I have to call that function. So here I have called that function. Okay, and here I write main int, so I write return 0, because if we don't write return 0, it returns a garbage value and it affects our program. So now this is completed our program. So now I have to build and run. So for that Alt F and Control F9 is used, so you can see that we got that output 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the output when we use static variables. Now we check what happens if we use a normal variable. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to remove that static from that variable, so it is now a regular variable. Okay, which we have to used many times. So now I have to build that code. You have to see what happened here. it's processing, and you can see that what we get 5 zeros. It cannot increment the value of count. It print 0 every time we want to run that loop. So what happens that it prints only 0? So we have know the property of static variable is that it can used throughout the program. जब तक आपका मेन फंक्शन के बाद ये इसके बाद टर्मिनेट नहीं हो जाता, तब तक आपके रैम के अंदर वो वेरिएबल एग्जिस्ट रहेगा. बट जो नॉर्मल वेरिएबल इसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे ही आपका ये ब्लॉक जो है ये खत्म हुआ, तो ये इसकी जो काउंट की जो मेमोरी होती है वो क्या हो जाती है, डिलीट हो जाती है. ओके, तो हमने पढ़ा हुआ है कि द स्टैटिक वेरिएबल्स आर स्टोर्ड ऑन स्टैटिक स्टोरेज एरिया. ओके, जो नॉर्मल वेरिएबल्स होते हैं तो स्टैक के अंदर रहते हैं, बट जो स्टैटिक वेरिएबल्स होते हैं वो कहाँ होता है, उनके लिए अलग से स्टोरेज एरिया, स्टैटिक स्टोरेज एरिया होता है. ओके, सो इफ वी डोंट यूज static keyword in that variable, so it reinitialized every time when counter function is called. Okay, when we call that counter function, it reinitializes the value of count to 0. Okay, and gets destroyed each time when counter function ends. Okay, you can easily understand that when that counter function is end, what happens, the value in that count is destroyed. But if we make it static, once initialized count will have a scope till the end of main function, and it will carry its value throughout function calls too. Okay, this is the main difference between static and normal or regular variable. So this is the program of static variable. Okay, in next video we are talking about static member functions, how static member function works, and we have to understand that with the help of a program. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, be safe at home.